Hey guys, today we are trying on all the makeup that I purchased during the Sephora Vib sale. Oh, before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already to be notified when I upload throughout the week. I'm going to put on my foundation really quick. I'm using a foundation that I know I can trust. I almost dropped that. I don't have a foundation that I purchased during this sale, so I'm just using a foundation that I know my skin won't react to. The Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. Oh, that was a lot. Blend that out really quick. For concealer, I am using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I have not been using eyeshadow primer recently. I've been using concealer as the primer just because I feel like right now that's what I'm liking. I'm not sure what it is about it, but I've just been staying away from eye primers at the moment. Alright, so we are ready to go in with the, well, you know what? Let me do my eyebrows really quick. I just want to get that over with. I'm using the Benefit Ka-Brow. Alright, so the first item in my BoxyCharm. We are not doing a BoxyCharm video, Zara. This is a Sephora try-on haul, just to be clear. So, first item in our Sephora haul is the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour and Bronzer Cream. There are people that really don't like this, and then there's a lot of people that really love it. So I feel like it hasn't been working out for a lot of people, but those type of makeup products tend to work on me because I'm different from everybody. I can get this open. I did purchase the shade in Fair. That looks so pretty. I love the packaging on this. It's very, very, very compact. This will be really nice to travel with. I wanted to see if this color was similar to the Chanel Cream Bronzer. Okay, so this color is definitely a little bit darker than the Chanel, and this color is perfect for me in the winter. So maybe this will be more of a color for me in the summer. To apply the Chanel Cream Bronzer, I use this brush by Morphe. So I'm gonna try this same brush with the Huda Beauty cream. I don't know how this is gonna work, so might have a little bit of trial and error. Actually, no. I'm gonna go in with this brush. It's still really dense, and I feel like this isn't gonna give me quite a precise contouring, so I'm gonna try this brush. This brush is from Zoeva. Ooh, that is very creamy. I'm going in with a very light hand first because this looks like it's really pigmented. And then I'm going to use this brush by Morphe to blend it out. I'll probably go on top of this again. Oh, that is really pretty. Okay, yeah, I think I like that. That blended out beautifully. Let me put a little bit more on because I want a little bit more sculpting going on here. I'm going to focus it on the hollows of my cheeks. I'm not going to bring it down too far. Yes, I like this. I do like this a lot. I knew I was going to like something like this. Everything that people don't tend to like, I end up liking. I don't know why that is, but I do like this shade too. It's definitely a lot more creamy than, oh, yikes, I got way too much on there. Ah, okay, hold on. Oh, well, that blended out real nice. This is not a lot of product. I feel like it's squished into the tiniest little packaging possible. But I guess that can be a good thing if you're traveling and you like stuff like this. I don't know, I feel like I could have gotten more products. But, I mean, I like the packaging. I just wish it was just a little bit more product in here. Cream products have really been my go-to recently. I really do like how cream products look on my skin. And I went for a very natural bronze look, and I like how this came out. I kind of want to use a cream blush now. But as far as first impressions are concerned, I really like this. I kind of felt like I was going to anyway because I love cream products right now. But I do like this color. I feel like it was perfect for my skin right now, and I haven't been in the sun for a while. I've actually been trying to stay out of it, and I feel like this is very close to what my winter shade will be like. So I like how this looks on my skin. I feel like I got a really pretty contour and bronze, very slightly bronze. I didn't go for a heavy bronze look for sure, but I like the contouring that I got with this. I didn't set my foundation yet because I wanted to go in with a cream bronzer first. So I'm going to go ahead and set my foundation using my Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder, which looks like this. Because I am an oily girl, I have to set everything. The Chanel Cream Bronzer lasts all day on my skin, and this is a lot more creamier than the Chanel, and that's the concern that I have. It might not last as long, but I definitely will keep you updated as to how to apply it, how long it wears on my skin. I'm not sure if it's going to be as long lasting as my Chanel Cream Bronzer, but I will keep you updated. Next, we are going to jump right into the eyes. I did purchase a very exciting eyeshadow palette. I finally got a Natasha Denona palette. I am so excited about this. You have no idea. Hannah knows. Hannah knows how excited I am about this. I love simple, sleek packaging like this. It's so compact. I feel like I would be very scared to travel with this because these are Natasha Denona eyeshadows. These are expensive. I'm like at a loss as to what type of look I should go with. I'm going to go in with this color right here. This is in the shade Jasper. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. You know what? I need to bring it in a little bit, don't I? I am in love with this eyeshadow, but I need to move on because I will be stuck talking about this forever. You will be able to use all of these colors this fall. Like, this palette just speaks fall to me. So I'm really excited about this. I know I'm going to be using it so much. The colors were so incredibly easy to blend out, and I really like how this blended out. But I need to finish up my makeup so I can actually see the finished look of this. I got a backup of my Kat Von D tattoo liner, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with this. Yeah, so they definitely have new packaging on this. But I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes with this. Yes. Best felt tip ever. Okay. I was going to go natural with my eyeliner, but that is not natural. You know when there's just days when your eyeliner is just, it's not working out. That's what's happening with me today. It's not this, it's me. I'm really struggling with it today. I gotta move on because this is just getting worse and worse. But I do know that this is a good product. I'm just really struggling with my eyeliner today. So I don't know, sometimes I just struggle. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my NYX On The Rise Volume Lift Mascara. I picked up a sample size of this and I love this mascara. Wow, this eyeliner really did turn out atrocious. I don't know what's up with me today with eyeliner, but that did not turn out good. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my eye makeup, going in with my Sunrise palette. Did I even say that this was the Sunrise palette? I'm going to go in with this shade right here in Jasper and line the lower lash line. This eyeshadow, like, it's so effortless to come up with a beautiful look because the eyeshadow blends out like nothing I've ever worked with before. I can understand why these eyeshadows are so expensive. I am in love with this eyeshadow. All the colors literally just blend together. If I could get a dime for how many times I say blend, I'd be a very rich woman. Alright, I'm going to go in with this brown eye pencil. This is 24/7 Urban Decay Glide On eye pencil. This is in the shade Demolition. I'm going to go for more of a brown. Before I go in with the rest of my Sephora haul, I'm going to go ahead and put on my Fenty Beauty Chili Mango cream blush, because this is going to go perfect with this look, and I want to see how cream blushes work with this cream bronzer. I'm not really seeing anything. Okay, it's gradually growing on me. I think I'm liking it more and more. I like it actually a little bit more built up in color rather than a little bit more natural. I definitely built this up quite a bit, but I like how it pairs with this eye look. It seemed to go really nicely on top of that cream bronzer, so I like it. At first I wasn't sure how this color was paying off, but I think it turned out pretty nice. I like it. I like it. It's growing on me. It's growing on me. I need to put on my highlight before I go in with the next item in my Sephora haul. So I'm going to use this Wet n Wild highlighting powder. I love this. I recently just picked it up at Ulta, and it literally is the most beautiful highlighting color in the entire world. And it's the cheapest. So I've actually been really impressed with it. I'm using this little fan brush from Morphe. I also just picked this up recently, thanks to a little trip to Ulta with Hannah. I am just in love with this highlighter. That is like just a few swipes with this brush. It is such a pretty highlighter. You need to get your hands on this. Wet n Wild is such a cheap brand, and this highlighter is everything. I did purchase the Huda Beauty Olivia Shorty eyelashes. I'm not going to go in with them today because I really am liking how this eye look looks without eyelashes. It's a beautiful eye look, and I don't really want to go in with these right now, but I will wear these in future videos. I just feel like a lot of people aren't really into eyelashes right now, and I don't want to ruin this look right now because I've been really struggling with the eyeliner today, with the mascara, and I don't want to mess it up any more than I already have. I've been loving the Samantha lashes from Huda Beauty. I've worn these several times in a few of my videos. So I wanted to go ahead and purchase another pair because I really like how she makes her eyelashes. They're really easy to put on. I just wanted to let you guys know that I do have those lashes. I did purchase them, but I want to go ahead and test this out. But I need to go in with a lip color first. What type of lip color do we want today? I'm going to go in with this Huda Beauty Liquid Matte, but I do need to line my lips first. Actually, I'm not going to. I'm not going to line my lips. That's probably a really bad idea, but oh well. I think that like a fiery red lip is going to look really pretty with this, so I want to try it. So I need to go ahead and set everything together. So I have here the Satin Skin Mist by Tatcha. This is the first Tatcha product I've ever tried in my life, so we shall see. Ooh, the packaging looks really pretty. Okay, this was a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, but okay. I feel like that happens a lot at Sephora. It does look very pretty and luxurious, but this was an expensive little thing. I don't feel like it really blended everything together. I know like my Morphe Skin Mist really blends everything together. This I feel like is more for keeping oil away, which is nice. I definitely will use this. It didn't have like a particular intense scent or anything, but some of it fell on my arms and it feels kind of sticky. Maybe in the future I'll see if this is a good makeup primer, but as far as right now, I don't really notice a difference in my skin. I do kind of feel I feel my skin getting a little bit tight, which is not a bad thing for me because oily skin can use all the help it can get. But I do think it did something. I'm not gonna like completely bash this, but I don't really feel like it gave me the satin skin. I was thinking that this was going to be something that was going to melt my makeup together and give my skin like a beautiful airbrush look. I don't think that's what it did. I do feel it working in my pores. I think this is working to keep that oil away, which I mean is what it claims to be. But I think the satin skin just kind of drew my attention. I was hoping that it was going to give me some type of blended makeup look, but I don't really see that being the case, but that doesn't mean that I'm completely disappointed with it. So that is everything in my Sephora haul. Really happy with this. I'm going to play around with this some more. I'll let you guys know about these eyelashes. I'll wear them in a video coming soon. I just did not want to put these on today. The satin skin mist, pretty good. I think I need to play around with it just a little bit more for me to give you a full honest opinion on it. Obviously these are all first impressions, so with that in mind, everything is not going to be sound. Liquid liner, this was my fault. Just how I was applying it today, it was not working out. This product in itself is not bad. This is my favorite liquid liner, and there's a reason why I purchased this again. I will continue to play around with these colors some more. These are beautiful. I am so happy that I got this palette. I finally bit the bullet and bought it. It was pricey, but it wasn't as pricey as her other bigger eyeshadow palettes, and I feel like this was definitely very much worth it. This is going to be staying on my vanity. This is a luxury in itself. I am so glad I got it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun going through all of my Sephora haul items and everything. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.